Welcome my dear students. Today I am going to explain chapter number 4, factorizations. This chapter is very important for class 9. So today I am going to explain and how to solve the questions. So today in this video I am going to explain. So please keep watch my video. So my dear student, first of all you have to remember it. What is factorization? Factorization means you have to find out the two or more expression whose product is the given expression is called the factorization. So factorization is the process. Factorization is the not anything else. Factorization is the process which utilize you have to find two or more algebraic expression whose product is the given expression. Suppose here also you can say you can see also. So first of all, factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. So after that, if you see the example, then you can easily understand. Here is the product, that means 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. This the both is the algebraic expression, and is the combination is multiplication. So if you multiply in both expression, then you get the 4x square minus 25. This is the expression, and this is the factor. 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5 is the factor of this expression. If you multiply both factors, then you get the expression. Okay, so if you this expression and this process is the reverse process. If you multiply both factors, then you get the expression, and if you factorize the expression, this expression, then you get these factors. So this is the reverse process. Okay, so my dear student, 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5 is the factor of this expression. Here is lot of expression, three expression I am going to explain, and this is the example. This is the example of the factorization. So p plus 3 and p minus 7. So p plus 3 and p minus 7 is the factor of this equation. That means not expression. P square minus 4p minus 221. Both p plus 3 and p minus 7 both are factors of this expression. Okay, so my dear students, so I think this is the concept of the factorization. So here is you can see the example what is the factorization, and by factorization how to make the product and how to factorize the any algebraic expression. So this is the algebraic expression, and this is the product form. This is the product form of this expression. So 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5 is the factor of this expression. Okay, my dear student. So you can see also this also great. This is the example of the product. That means p plus 3 and p minus 7 is the factors of this expression. So if you multiply p plus 3 with p minus 7, then you get p square minus 4p minus 21. So these both are factors of this expression, my dear student. So here is also if you reverse process, that means if you factorize for x square minus 25, then you can make the product of 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. So my dear student, this is the example of the factorization. So I am telling you what is factorization, and factorization is the reverse process of the multiplication. So in this example you can easily understand. Okay, my dear student. So after that, so my dear student, exercise 4.2, there is a special type of question I am already picked up, and after that I am going to solve in this video. So I think you can easily understand. So any problem, any question you have to difficult to solve the solve on this chapter. So please write your problem and question number. Which question number you are not able to solve, so please write in comment section, and after that when you make the video, that time I will solve your problem. So my dear student, first question is 9x square minus 4 bracket x plus 2x whole square. Okay, so my dear student, there is the main topic, our topic of this factorization, that means difference of two squares. Difference of two square. So here is the formula is already present in here. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So in this formula you have to solve all problem. Okay, so this formula you have to utilize to solve these questions, and here is also most of the question you have to solve by using this formula. So my dear student, 9x square minus 4y plus 2x whole square. So my dear student, you have to make the form a square minus b square, then you can apply this formula. So my dear student, so I am requesting you, you have to make this expression in the form of a square minus b square. So that's why 9x square, we can write 3x whole square, and here is 2, and y plus 2x whole square. So you can write 2 bracket y plus 2x whole square, right? This is total b and this is total a. 3x means a, and 2 bracket y plus 2x, that means b. So my dear, so you have to apply this formula. That means you can write a plus b into a minus b. So we can write 3x plus 2 bracket y plus 2x, and 3x minus 2 bracket y plus 2x. So after that you have to remove the bracket. That's why you have to multiply 2 with this both terms. That means 3x you have to write in here 2y plus my plus, okay, and 2 to the 4, here will be x. So that's why 3x plus 2y plus 4x. Similar process, 3x will be here, and you have to multiply 2 with y and 2x. That means 2y and minus plus minus, okay, 2 to the 4x. So after that you have to calculate. That means if you added 3x plus 4x, then it is 7x, and here will be 2y. And here if you subtract 3x and minus 4x, both are like term, so you have to subtract because opposite sign is there. So then you get the minus x, and here will be minus 2y. So question number 1, this question we have done. And next questions are pi a to the power 5 minus pi cube ab square. Okay, so you have to make the form of a square plus b square. You have to make the form of a square minus b square. You have to make this form. Okay, so but in this expression there is not similar, both this expression not compared to this form. So first of all you have to make this form. Okay, so you have to take common as pi a square, pi a, because here is only one a and there is 5 times of a. So you can take a as a common, and pi also. Here is pi to the power 3, and here is pi, only pi, 1 pi. So you can take pi a common as a common, then you get a to the power 4, because if you take 1 a, then you remaining will be here a to the power 4 minus. If you take pi, then 3 pi is there, so 1 pi will be and after that you have to remaining is here pi square, and here will be b square. So my dear student, and after that a to the power 4 means you can write a square whole square minus pi b whole square, because our indices in the indices chapter we have you have learned, I think. So a square b square means ab whole square. Okay, so if you apply these rules, then you can write from these terms a pi b whole square. Okay, so my dear student, a square minus b square. So both you can we are already able to make the form a square minus b square. Then you can apply the formula. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So first of all, you have to one times you have to add a square to pi b, and one times a square minus pi b. So our answer is done. Question number, this question we have done. Okay, so this type questions you can easily solve. Here a bracket a square minus 2 minus b bracket b minus 2. So my dear student, here is not a square minus b square formula is b square in this form is not expressed, is not present. So you have to make the form. You have to make the form this expression. After that you can apply the formula. So you have to remove the bracket. So if you remove the bracket, then you have to multiply a with both terms. That means a square and a into 2, that is 2a. Here minus is there, and b square, and minus plus. Okay, plus minus, and if you multiply 2 into b, 2b. So here will be a square minus 2a minus b square minus 2b. So my dear student, you can arrange a square and minus b square. So we are arrange a square and b square, and in minus 2a and minus 2b we are arranging sides. So okay, after that you can apply the formula, because we know the formula of a square minus b square. That means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and here is you can't apply the formula, so that's why you can take as a common 2, then you get a plus b minus plus. Okay, so here will be a plus b, and here is also a plus b. So both term is same, so you can take a plus b as a common. That means if you get a plus b is taken as a common, then you get here is only, if you take a plus b as common, then here is only a minus b is there. So you have to write here a minus b. And if you take a plus b common, because when you take common, no, so you have to write only the terms without a plus b inside the bracket, a minus b minus 2. So our answer is done, my dear students. So this type of questions you can easily solve in the on this chapter. Okay, so here is also 32 and 2 is there. So you never apply the formula a square minus b square, because a square minus b square formula is a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. So this form never compared to this expression. So my dear student, so 32 is not a perfect square number. So that's why you have to take the common 2 from both terms. If you take common 2, then you get 16 minus, if you take common 2, so only remaining will be left is here x minus 4 whole square. So we have write in here, and after that for 16 is the perfect square, and is the perfect square of 4. That means we can write 4 square. Okay, and here is also square that. So you can compare a square minus b square. So all expression you have to make in the form of a square minus b square, then you can apply. So my dear student, so you can apply in this equation, in this expression. Here a means 4 and b means x minus 4. So again you have to add it, a plus b, that means 4 plus x minus 4 and 4 minus x minus 4. Bracket must you have to write, because here is minus, no, without bracket if you write, so math will be wrong. So if you calculate, that's why you have to remove the bracket. So 2 is here, and 4 plus x minus 4, because here is plus, so plus minus minus, so sign will be not change. Okay, so and similar process, if you here is 4, you have to write in here 4 minus minus and minus minus plus. So between x and 4 you have to write the plus sign. So my dear student, if you calculate minus 4 plus 4 cancel, and here is minus plus 4 and plus 4 plus 8, and minus x will be here. So if you, and here is only x is there, so 2x, here will be 2x, and here is 8 minus x. Our answer is done. So our next questions, x square plus 1 by x square minus 11. So you have to make this form. So my dear student, if you make the form this expression of a square plus b square, so in this problem, in this questions, you have to apply two formula. You have to apply two formula. Okay, so you have to apply only two formula. That means here is a square plus 1 by x square. That means we can apply the formula, because my dear student, formula is a square plus b square. That means a plus a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So my dear student, so that's why here is a x. You have to, you can write, that means x square and 1 by x whole square minus 11. So a square plus b square, we are this formula is there, a square plus b square, that means a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Formula of a square plus b square is two formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Both formula is right, but in which situation you have to apply, which formula you have to apply, you have to choose. You have to remember it, in which situation you have to multiply. We are multiplying this formula, a square plus b square equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So if you multiply, if you apply this formula, that means x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x. So if you not apply this formula, if you apply this formula, so my dear students, so what happened that time? If you, here will be plus and here will be minus. So minus, before 2 minus is here, so minus 11 minus 2 minus 13. So minus 13 is not a perfect square. Minus 13 is not a perfect square. If you, before 2 is plus and minus 11, then you get 9. So 9 is the perfect square. So my dear student, if you not able to form the perfect square, so that time you never apply this formula. So my dear students, a square minus b square formula. So what is the formula? A square minus b square, I have told you, no? A square minus b square, that means a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b. So my dear student, here is already I am apply x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2ab. So a means x, b means 1 by x, a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So after that you can write x minus 1 by x whole square minus plus 2 minus 11 minus 9. Okay, so minus 9 means 3 square, minus 9 means 3 square. So a square minus b square. Again, my dear student, now we are able to form the in the form of a square minus b square. But before, you never apply in this expression this formula. Here you can apply this formula, because you are able to, we have to make the form of a square minus b square. So we are already able to make the formula. That means it's a totally a, x minus 1 by x means total, this is a and this is b. X minus 1 by x is a and 3 is b. Okay, so a plus b and a minus b. Okay, So my dear student, this is our answer. This question is very important, and on this chapter, so this question is not so very difficult. The question is very easy. So here is also, you can easily solve these questions. First of all, you have to apply this formula. Okay, a square whole square plus b square whole square minus 7 square b square. Okay, so if you apply this this expression on this formula, my dear student, why I am applying the another formula? You can apply the a square minus b square, no? So a square minus b square, you never apply this expression in this expression. So first of all, you have to make this expression in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, so my dear student, so if you break a4 and plus b4, then a square whole square plus b square whole square minus 7 square b square. So here will be a square plus b square whole square minus 2 square b square minus 7 square b square. So my dear student, this is a very important formula. A square plus b square, there is two formula. If here is when you plus, if you write in here, so that time here will be minus, a plus, here plus, here minus, here. So I am telling you, no, there is two formula. If you a minus b whole square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So my dear student, both formula is correct, but in which situation you have to apply which formula, so you have to remember it. So my dear student, if you apply this formula, so if you write here plus, so that time will be minus. If you write minus, here will be plus. So plus 2a square b square and minus 7 square b square will be. That means if you subtract, then minus 5 square b square. So my dear student, 5 is not perfect square. That's why you have to make the forms a square minus b square. That's why you have to apply the formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so here will be s plus b square plus b square whole square. So my dear student, this is a square minus 9 a square b square. Okay, 9 a square b square. So it will be a square plus b square whole square minus 3ab whole square. So my dear student, here this is a and this is b. Okay, so it will be a square plus b square, that will be a plus b and a minus b. So a square plus b square minus 3ab. So my dear student, this is our answer. So question is not so very difficult. You have to apply two formula. First of all, you have to apply a square plus b square formula, and after that you have to apply this expression a square minus b square. Both a square b square, both terms are a, and here is b. A plus b, a minus b. So a square plus b square plus 3ab, and a square plus b square minus 3ab. Answer done. So here is also very easy questions. 9x to the power 4. So you have to make the in the form of square. That means 3x square whole square. If you break x to the 4, no. So you can write here when x4, that time you can write x square whole square. If you here 6, if you here 6, then you can write 3 to the 6. This type of rules you can apply on this expression. So 3x square whole square will be here, and this is the, you can write this expression in the square form. X a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square formula, that is a plus b. A means x, b means 1. The whole square. Again you can apply the formula a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. Okay. So my dear student, you can easily apply the formula. Okay. So this plus a plus b and a minus b. So our answer is done. Okay, my dear students. Now next questions. X to the power 4 minus 14 x square plus 1. So x to the power 4 means you have to arrange x to the power 4 plus 1. You have to arrange in here. That means x to the power 4 means x square whole square, 1 means 1 square. So you have to apply the a square plus b square formula, my dear students. Okay, a square plus b square formula you have to apply. Then will be x square a plus b whole square minus 2 a b. Okay, a square a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A means x square, b means 1. Okay, so I am told you know formula 2 or 3 times. I am told you a square plus b square formula. That means so it will be x square plus 1 whole square minus 14 minus 2 minus 16 x square. Okay, my dear student. Then you can make the form of a square minus b square in this expression. This expression you can make the form of a square minus b square. So this is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So answer is done. So my dear student, this question is you have done. Now these also very easy questions. So x square minus 5x plus 7, and here is x square plus 5x plus 7. Okay, so my dear student, this expression in the form of product. So that time here is before 5x minus is here and before 5x here is plus. So we have to make the forms a plus b into a minus b. Okay, তোমাদেরকে a plus b আর a minus b ফর্মে লিখতে হবে। তো কিভাবে লিখবো, যে x স্কয়ার প্লাস 7টাকে আমরা পুরোপুরি এক জায়গায় করে নিলাম আর মাইনাস 5x টাকে আরেক জায়গায় b হিসেবে ধরে নিলাম। তাহলে এখানে a ধরবো a plus b। তো কি হবে, তো a plus b into a minus b এর ফর্মুলা কি, এটা হচ্ছে a স্কয়ার মাইনাস b স্কয়ার। তো কি হবে, a মানে x স্কয়ার প্লাস 7টা হচ্ছে a, তার মানে কি x স্কয়ার প্লাস 7 মানে a স্কয়ার মাইনাস b স্কয়ার মানে 5x তার হোল স্কয়ার। a মানে x স্কয়ার প্লাস 7 হচ্ছে a আর b মিন্স 5x। তো ওই ফর্মুলাতে আমরা লিখলে কি হবে, স্কয়ার মাইনাস b স্কয়ার মানে হয়ে গেল, পেয়ে গেছি। তাহলে এটাকে আমরা এইভাবে লিখবো। তো কি লিখবো, আমাদেরকে গুণ করবো এটাকে। তো ফর্মুলা কি, a প্লাস b হোল স্কয়ারের ফর্মুলা হচ্ছে a স্কয়ার প্লাস 2 ইন্টু a ইন্টু b প্লাস b স্কয়ার মাইনাস 5x whole square means 25x square. So if you calculate, then x square and x square whole square 2 to the 4 x 4 and here will be 7 to the 14 x square plus 49 minus 25 x square. So like term is here, x square and x square both is like term. So if this is not like term, you have to write only x to the 4, not change. This term will be not change. So minus 24x square plus 14x square. So it will be subtract and minus will be, you have to write because 25 is greater. So if you subtract 14 from 25, then you get 15. Okay, my dear student. So here x square, sorry, this will be 11. I am very sorry. 11x square plus 49. So my dear student, this is our we have done. So you can apply this formula. So in this video I never complete all exercise problem. So my dear student, next video next part of this chapter very within 1 or 2 days. I am going to again I have to make. So my dear student, now I am going to stop. So this you have to any problem on this chapter, so I am requesting you, any question if you write, if you have any problem, and you have to write only question number, you have to write only question number. ওকে, অনলি কোশ্চেন নাম্বার, তুমি কোশ্চেন নাম্বারটা শুধু লিখো, আমি তোমাদের সলভ করে অ্যাগেন তুমি সব কিছু তুমি পেয়ে যাবে আমার চ্যানেলের মধ্যে। সো ক্লাস প্লিজ কিপ ওয়াচ মাই চ্যানেল অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই বাই, টেক কেয়ার।